Okay, we're going to use a function on the computer for a home page called Google IG. Now, if you have a home page up there already, you notice that your home page usually has, mail, and it's got news and weather, sports, like this Yahoo homepage. Okay, it's got pretty much a lot of the stuff that you want. Google's more personalized in the sense that you can get your actual Gmail up there. You can get actual little calendars with dates and things set on them. You can get little gadgets from Google that have to-do lists on them. It's kind of neat. Let's go to that now and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let's see. I think I made. Let's see. Okay, I think I made Google IG my homepage on this already, so it's going to go right to it. So I'm going to have to explain something to you once we get to the Google page. Oh, this is the basic Google page. Okay, here's Google. Now, once you get to the Google, what you would do is go up to your address URL and type IG in there. What will happen once that happens is you'll get a rough format saying what sorts of things interest you, and it'll say, oh, you'd be clicking on sports, weather, cooking, uh, uh, mail, social things. Anyway, it gives you a whole variety, and the more things that you choose, little boxes that you put X's in, the more stuff your basic homepage will have on it when you open it up. But now you can also get those in there, and I'm going to show you how to do that. They're called gadgets. You could also get those in there by adding gadgets, okay? And you can add gadgets by the way Google chooses them for you, by the way the most popular ones are, by the way Hollywood celebrities choose them. You can find gadgets that are aligned in the sense that the way most people use them, or just the most popular ones. Okay, we're going to go to Google IG. Oh, and then there's going to be a theme strip at the top. There's going to be a theme. It'll allow you to choose your theme. There's going to be a theme opening up here, but that's because I already went and did it, and it locks in, and you have that. You don't have to keep that all the time. You can change it. And I'm going to show you how this is done. Google IG. Once you get to Google, you go type in IG at the end of Google on your URL. Click it, and it opens up. Now, remember I said the theme. This is the Google homepage, okay? The theme can be changed anytime you want. You can just go over here to change theme, and you could find something that you like of all these pictures Google has to offer, and then you just keep clicking the menu on it, the arrow, and it keeps changing and changing the different pictures for you until you find one that you like. Or you could search themes. I like horses. HORSES. I type in horses and I click search my themes. It's got all different pictures of horses and things about horses. And let's just pick one right now. I like this one here with all the different horses. I clicked it and look at that. Changed my theme already. Oh, maybe I want this horse here. So I'll go ahead and click that, and that one changes the theme. Okay, but again, I like that first one. We'll go to that one. Okay, so you're browsing all the themes. You get to choose whatever you want or find new ones. Okay, let's get out of that. We're going to X out, and the next thing you want to do is look for stuff to add. Those are the gadgets. Okay, you want to find stuff to add. So go ahead and click that. It goes right to here's your tabs right up here. You got gadgets and themes. Okay, we were just at themes. Okay, those are the different themes and how to choose them. And here's the gadgets. We'll go into gadgets. Okay, so it's got them listed as to hottest users, newest gadgets, and then categories: editors picks and celebrity picks, so on and so forth. Okay. There's a football gadget. I'm going to go back to Google homepage, and I want to use the Add the Gadget button. Okay. Now, weather. I'm going to go click on weather. I'm not sure that I like this one here. I'm going to click weather. And there it adds either this local weather gadget, or it has some nice choices down here. The weather channel. Oh, I like the weather channel. I'm going to click that. Okay. Put my add it now. Go ahead and add it. And that gadget's on my home page. So let's go back to the basic Google home page. And there's my weather channel. I'm going to go ahead and put 24592, my zip code, and save it. Okay. So when the weather channel opens up, it should let's try it again. Let's 24592. Let's hit search and see what that does. South Boston, that's right, South Boston, Virginia. Okay, so we'll save that. There we go. That's South Boston and all the weather around it, and we can zoom in and do everything you can with the weather channel. That's one of my gadgets that's going to be on my homepage every time I open it up. Let's go find something else. I like some other gadgets. They've got, let's scroll down, okay, and see what they've got. Google Calendar. I like the calendar. I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And I'm going to add it now. That's going to be on my home page. It was added. It shows that it's added. I like this one here, the to-do list. I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. Okay, it's been added. Let's see. Back to Google Home. There they are. Google Calendar, Google to-do list. Now, these gadgets, you can move them around. If I wanted the calendar over to the right, move it. And there it went over to the right. Now, if I don't want to use this for my home page, and I want to take it off, you go up to the Google options, click it, and go to the classic home, and we're back up to Google home page. Okay, the basic Google home page. If you want to go back to IG, you would just go up here, click Google IG, add IG to the top. I'm sorry, you got to put Google IG. I'm sorry, Google. Google.com/IG. And that should bring you back to where you were. Okay. All right, and when it opens up, there's all the little gadgets that you added. Okay. The thing that you would like up here, I like to have my mail up here. So we're going to go ahead and, on the gadgets, I'm going to add gadgets. And I want to put my webmail in there. Well, let's go to most users use, okay? Let's go to that. Let's see if they're using it. Okay, there's your Gmail, okay? You want to get my Gmail on there. Okay, add it now. So I've got my Gmail up there. They're most users using weather. I got that. They got jokes, Hangman. Okay. Okay, let's go back to Google Home. There it is. There's my Gmail. You just sign in using your regular sign-in sheet. There, my weather moved. I like to have this, the to-do list, right in the middle. Okay, and the weather, I'm going to bring that over to the left, slide it, so you can organize these things. Basically, there it is. Okay, I want to go. I like this so much. I'm going to show this page every time I start to browse the web. I Google my home page. I'm going to click that. Use this web page as your only home page. Add this web page to your home page tabs. I'm going to add it and put yes. All right. Now, if I sign out, okay, and I want to go to the internet, okay. Okay, it goes to Google. If I want to go to Google IG, I just type in IG after the Google, and there's my Google homepage the way I set it up. If you want to make this your open up instead of Google, there's a way to do that. You just save it into your homepage every time you open it up, and basically that's it. For Google IG, it's a wonderful thing to use. It makes web browsing much easier and using your computer much easier.